Cooking a fried egg without a non-stick pan is entirely possible with the right technique and a little patience. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Allow me to demonstrate using a stainless steel pan. Stainless steel pans are generally considered safe for cooking. It is non-reactive, meaning it won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. We have to preheat the pan until it's hot enough. To check if it's ready, try dropping some water into it. If the water just boils out, then it's not hot enough. When the water just rolls like marbles, then it's ready. Add all. I like to use extra virgin olive oil. It gives extra flavor to the egg. Then turn off the fire. This step is optional, however for beginners this step ensures the egg not sticking onto the pan by allowing the oil to seep into the metal's molecules gaps. After 2 minutes heat up the pan again and it's ready to cook. Cook in high heat. I like to put a lid on it so the yolk won't be too raw. After 45 seconds, it's done. This way, you'll get that crispy crust outside and the center is soft, and the yolk is runny. You may continue to cook more eggs consecutively, and they will all come off without sticking onto the pan. Yummy and healthy. See you on the next one. Bye.